How to use flashcards to learn new words. Flashcards are a great tool for improving vocabulary. Flashcards are inexpensive and easy to make. They help you identify what you need to practice more. Writing and self-evaluating with flashcards consolidate vocabulary learning. Flashcard revision is fun and doesn't require much time. Flashcards are more entertaining than classical revision methods. Tips for using flashcards include adding examples and saying words out loud. Adding drawings and reviewing regularly are also helpful. You can take flashcards wherever you go, and you can use them whenever you have a bit of free time. Shuffling the pile of cards and using the waterfall method are also effective strategies. Remember to keep flashcard review sessions under 20 minutes. Flashcards can also be used in group activities for added fun and engagement. Share if you like. Check the article in the description for more details.